This is purely an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. This week we're making a Junior Zen pen. This Zen pen kit is pretty cool. It comes in gray metal fixtures, which I think are going to go great with the offcut of canary wood that we had just recently. The hole that's going to need to be drilled is going to be a little bit bigger, so I bought a brand new 11 by 32 drill bit, and because it's larger on the mandrel, we're going to need to put some bushings in, so I bought that as well. On top of all of that, not just for this project, for hopefully many projects to come, we're going to make some OB shine juice. So let's get started.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday. Don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still, I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays.
This Junior Zen pen turned out great. This canary wood with the gunmetal, just perfect. In my mind, I think this worked out really, really nice. The neat thing about this pen is it's got a magnetic cap. That's pretty neat. So it doesn't click in, it's got a little magnetic action there. That's pretty neat. I like that. This unfortunately is not for me. I made this as a gift for somebody who I think is going to really appreciate it. I'm going to have to make another one for myself. This really did turn out nice. So I made a couple of different changes to this. I used the sanding sealer on it. I also used some denatured alcohol to try and get off the dust. The shine, thank you OB for the shine juice, the recipe for this. You can find this on the internet. It's 3 parts, or 1 part of the 3 items that you saw earlier. And what a shine. I mean, this, I can't wait to turn something else and use that OB shine juice on other things. Thank you OB for sharing. Amazing. You know, I like this. I'm sure the person who's about to receive this is going to really like this too. If you liked it, hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. Thanks for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. That turned out really well. I like that magnetic. That was pretty cool.